Hello and welcome everyone to this video tutorial. My name is Kumar Saurabh and today we have an exciting topic, two timestamp function in PostgreSQL. If you have ever needed to convert a string to a timestamp in your database, this function is very useful. So let's get started. This function is incredibly handy when you want to convert a string representation of a date or timestamp into an actual timestamp value. The syntax of this function is as follows. As you can see, the syntax of two timestamp function is straightforward. It takes two parameters. The first one is the input string you want to convert, and the second one is the format in which the input string is written. Let's dive right into an example to see how this works. Suppose we have a string that represents a timestamp. If we want to convert it to a timestamp value, we can use a toTimestamp function. Now look at this query. We write our select statement and use the toTimestamp function, passing in the string and the format. In this case, our format matches the string format we provided. Now when we execute this query, PostgreSQL will return the converted timestamp value. As you can see, PostgreSQL successfully converted our string to the corresponding timestamp value. But what if our string has a different format? Let's say that date string contains the backslash for each part of date. We need to adjust the format parameter to match the string. Now, look at this query. Here we modify the format parameter to which matches the new string format. When we execute this query, PostgreSQL will convert the string to a timestamp value using the specified format. And just like that, we successfully converted our string to a timestamp value once again. It's important to note the format parameter must match the string format exactly. Otherwise, PostgreSQL won't be able to convert the string correctly and you will end up with an error. Another useful feature of a toTimestamp function is that it supports a fractional second. If your string contains a millisecond or a microseconds, you can include them in format parameter to ensure accurate conversion. Now look at this query. In this example, our string includes a millisecond, so we modify the format parameter too. By including .us in the format, we tell PostgreSQL to consider the fractional seconds, and after executing this query, as you can see, the converted timestamp now include the millisecond from the original string. One last thing to mention is that toTimestamp function is not limited to converting a string to timestamps. It can also convert a string to date values using a similar approach. Just adjust the format parameter accordingly. So I hope that you have enjoyed video tutorial on PostgreSQL toTimestamp function. So at last, I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you.